What's up, Courtney here. So this is going to be a super speed tutorial on how to get ready and get out the door quick. I know I did one of these not long ago, but this is going to be a completely different look and a completely different style, and I am actually going to use foundation. So we're going to start the tutorial now. We're going to put primer, we're going to put everything under the sun, and yeah, we're gonna make this work. So here we go. Okay guys, so this was the 10-minute look that turned into a 20 to 25-minute look. Guess why? The wing. I got brave and ballsy and decided to do a wing, which turned into a 25-minute look. So, lesson learned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do think the look came out very, very nice. Even though I did have a few mishaps. You know, it happens. I would like to now take some TATCHA DEWY Skin Mist and put it on my face because I feel like I need it. So I'm going to actually push my hair back and I'm going to do a few pumps of this, and that just makes everything better. It's better already. I'm not even mad at myself because of the wing anymore. What wing? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy the look. I think it turned out gorgeous, and the products that I used, hopefully I will be able to name all of them for you if this video ever gets posted. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring any bell. I will support you back as always. And I love you guys, but I want to argue with you, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.